Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com. After that, this is search icon, just click on it and then enter your model number of your graphic card. Go for RTX 4080 Ti AERO OC12G and then hit enter. After that, your graphic card search on this website and then click on the product. Now you can see this is your title name. Click on name of title. Then click on the support. And you can see this is your first select operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system driver download and installations process same. This is NVIDIA and this is download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see it is start downloading and download box. So it is completed, and then click on three dot and go to download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see okay. Now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that, also completed driver, then restart your system.